What's up, y'all? It's your girl. Ooh, it's your girl QueensteezTV, and I am giving it to the girls the only way I know how to do things. But y'all already know what it is. Today is day 20 of Vlogmas. It's Makeup Monday. I gotta get a girls one more look, but for the holiday season, and y'all can see what it is giving. Candy cane, it's giving pink dreams, it's giving all that. So if you stuck around this far for Vlogmas, y'all, you deserve a round of applause. I deserve a round of applause. When I go for Christmas, my P.O. box need to be flooded with stuff from y'all that I've been entertaining y'all for 25 whole days. So, y'all, make sure that you are hitting that like button. Make sure you sharing the videos with your family and friends. I appreciate everyone who's been watching the videos, but y'all, it's almost time for this to end. And I'm so happy. I mean, it's been fun, but I'm so happy it's over with. But, yeah. So, I see you guys in the video if you want to get this fabulous look to slay the girls. Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing well. Today is day 20 of Vlogmas, and also this is the last Makeup Monday in December. So y'all know how I always do, start off by moisturizing my face. Y'all know I pretty much use the same products. So after I get my moisturizer on, of course I'm going to go in with my NYX Slim Pencil and start to shape my eyebrows, and then I am going to fill them in. So anytime you're doing your eyebrows, like I just tell y'all, whenever y'all doing your makeup, like really just take your time. That's really all it is. I like to start from the bottom, and then once you kind of get the shape of your eyebrows from the bottom, you can just go ahead and connect it at the top and you're pretty much done. So I do go in and fill in some of that. But also, I'm going to take this eyebrow gel from NYX as well. I really love this. And I just kind of darken it up a little bit because I do usually go for that ombre brow look. You know, just something a little slight. So I'm just taking a angled brush and I'm just filling in, starting with the tail of the eyebrow and then moving in to the front. And then I'm going to brush it out. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. After I have my eyebrows on, of course, the next thing I'm going to do is go in with my concealer. Y'all know I love the Juvia's Place concealers. And this is in the color 12. And I just take a flat brush. And I'm just going to trace the top and the bottom of my brows so that I can get it super flawless. And then after that, I'm going to bring it down over my eyelids to serve as a base for my eyeshadows. And then I'm going to start with putting my shadows on. And once that's complete, I just take a fluffy brush and just pat in that product so that is no leave out and that my eyeshadow is not moving everywhere. So I'm using my Varsity palette. Y'all, I love this palette. I'm going to be working like right here in the middle with all of those pinks. And I'm going to be doing like a gradient look. But also I'm going to be starting from the darkest color in this palette, which is the collegiate color, and then moving outwards. So I just have a small eyeshadow brush, and you know, like I always tell you, to pack your eyeshadows on and don't swipe them back and forth. If you're doing the swiping motion back and forth, it's literally for you to move the product. But in order to get that, you know, very pigmented color, I recommend you to pat the products on as you move along. And once I have the first color on, I'm going in with Rumors, and I'm literally going to put that right over top of the first color, so that can give me like that gradient look. So y'all know, once you put these colors on, you gotta blend, 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 and keep on blending until you get your desired look. And I'm going to do the same thing that I do on one side for the other side as well. And then I will see you on the other side when I get to the next color. Purr. And after that, I just got the next fluffy brush, and I'm going to take that beautiful, beautiful hot pink color, which is Scrimmage, and I'm going to place that right under my eyebrows and pack it right on top of the next color, so that it can give us this beautiful, beautiful gradient that you see. So with this one, I am putting this on in a swiping motion because I don't want too much product, but I just want it, you know, to give a nice flawless look. After that, I'm just taking a clean brush and I'm rubbing all over it, going back and forth in the swiping motion, as you can see, just so I can blend everything out nicely and it gives a nice seamless look. After that, y'all know I'm going to give you an old nasty cut crease. So I'm taking my P. Louise and I am putting this on in the color white. I think it's 0 is the number that's on it, but it's white. And I'm just taking a flat brush. I'm going to get this brush very, very, very saturated in that white eyeshadow base, and then I'm going to begin to cut my crease. So as you can see, I'm going all over my bottom lid so I can get that nice crease right there. I wanted to do a crease on the entire eye. So as you can see, it kind of forms a shape. That's how I do my little look up trick. And then after that, you just basically carving out the shape. How I figured out how to do it is to start from the top and to drag it down so you don't get that very, very harsh look. Next, I'm going in with the white color, which is called MVP. And I'm just packing that white eyeshadow on. And then I'm going to move on. And once I have all of this done, I'm taking the darkest color and I'm putting it on the outer part of my lid to kind of give it like this little like slanted cat eye kind of drama thing going on. Yo, I just be trying stuff out, so I was just like, okay, let me do this little slanted look. And after that, y'all know it gotta be some glitter. So I'm just taking my gold glitter, but I'm going to put the glitter on in that same slanted motion so that it can give you a, you know, kind of glitter, kind of not doing too much. So this new little applicator thing I have is actually silicone. I really like this more than getting glue all in my brushes, and it actually allows you to put the glitter like exactly where you want it. And it's super easy for me to clean, so I've already been loving that. Y'all like it? Y'all like what I got going on right here? I like it. And after that, I'm just going to go ahead and line my eyes. Y'all, eyeliner is something that I want to get better with for, you know, the Makeup Mondays. But y'all, me and eyeliner just really don't get along. And if I can do it on one eye, it don't look right on the next eye. But, you know, whatever. It's a work in progress. After that, y'all know I'm going to put my lashes and stuff on. And, yeah. Y'all wasn't expecting to see me so soon, was you? But I just wanted to come just to see who be watching the videos all the way through. So y'all know what it is. It's giveaway time. Can of confetti or whatever. So this is what I want you to do. The first 10 people to drop down in the comments and let me know, you know, why you love makeup or why you think you should win this giveaway that I'm about to show you. The first 10 people. So put why you think you should win and also put your name. All of this needs to be in what? One comment, because your girl got stuff to do to be scored. Put all that in one comment, okay? After y'all do that, I'm going to do a random drawing to see who wins this. You're probably like, win what, Steez? Win what? So, y'all, I have this 35S Sweet Oasis palette from Morphe. Y'all know I gotta come with the lips, the lip gloss. Yo, hold up. A whole pack of beauty blenders. Ain't this so cute? Beauty blenders, and last but not least, a 12-piece brush set with the bag. So y'all getting y'all a nice little, hold up, a nice little starter kit, a makeup starter kit. Oh, I can't even hold it. Y'all getting y'all a nice little makeup starter kit. So drop it in the comments right now. Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody. But do it right now. And I'm going to see y'all at the end. Make sure y'all drop a like too. You feel me? Don't be watching a video and don't like it. Next, I'm moving on to my foundation. I'm just taking my Morphe face primer and I'm going to prime my face, mostly focusing on my cheeks, nose, and the top of my forehead. Basically everywhere where I sweat a lot. So I don't want to have no greasy face, so I always make sure that I focus on these areas before applying my makeup. So I've been using this beauty amplifier, which is just like a loose translucent powder, and I'm putting that under my eyes, or basically where my makeup will usually crease at. So I'm just putting that on so to kind of, you know, dry me down before I start painting. So next I'm just painting my face with my foundation. This is from Juvia's Place. Like I told you guys, I'm using the color Kampala. So I like to put my makeup on with a flat brush first, and then I go in with a kabuki brush and blend it out, honey, because it gives me a nice, beautiful airbrush look. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I get me a kabuki brush. I sprayed a little bit of setting powder on it, setting spray on it, to help me start moving the product around. As you can see, I get under my chin. So sometimes with the ring light, it gives me like a not flattering look on my neck and my makeup, but you know what I'm saying. Just keep blending. It match. It be the light. So just keep blending until you get your desired look. And then after that, you know, I'm going in with my concealer. This is in color 13, which is a little bit lighter than 12. So I go under my eyes, nose, forehead, chin, you know, all of those good spots. And then after that, I do go with my contour color, which I use in Nambia. After I put everything in place, I just take my flat brush, basically the same brush that I use my concealer with, to spread out the concealer and make sure that everything is where I want it to be. Everything is highlighted, looking nice, because I don't want any clumps, lumps, or anything undesirables on my makeup. And then I go in with the beauty blender to make sure that everything is done. So I did take you guys' advice with these little Amazon beauty blenders. Child, please. And I did wet this a little bit before I started moving the product around because these are super hard. Like I told you guys, I prefer the Real Techniques, but you know, I ain't gonna waste no beauty blenders, so I use them. I'm just taking another fluffy brush and brushing out where I put those contour colors. And then after that, of course, I am going to set my highlight. And always when setting my highlight, I use my Sacha Buttercup powder. Y'all, tell me why this powder is like $30 now. It did not used to cost $30. I went to Walmart and then I looked on Amazon. I was like, Sacha, please, $30? What? But anyway, y'all, after I set my face, I do let it bake for a little bit, and then I come back and, you know, do all my dusting and plucking. So I'm coming back with Juvia's Place blush, and this is in the color Bella, which is a beautiful coral color. So being I have the pinks on my eye, I definitely want to go in with kind of like an orangey, corally shade for my cheeks. And also, I wanted to dust off all of this excess powder, because the longer you leave it on, the longer you get that like yellowy cast on it. So after I do this, I realize that now once I have most of my makeup on, I'm going to take a smudger brush and go under my eyes to complete my makeup look. I like to do this last after I have my foundation and everything on. So after I take the smudger brush, and just be really careful when working around your eyes, because I do not play about my eyes, okay? You only get one set. And then I'm going to highlight my face using Glocaine from the crayon case. I really love these. So being I had the white on my eyes, I didn't want to use like a gold highlighter. I wanted to go in like with this really pretty white, iridescent, shimmery, so that all the colors can kind of like balance and play off of my face. Y'all know I always go back with my MAC Studio Fix, and I am an NC47 just to set my face, set my makeup. I always put a powder over top of a liquid so your face don't be, you know, on people's clothes. So I'm just lining my lip with a brown liner, and I'm putting on my favorite liquid lipstick, which is Perla from Stila. Y'all, I've had this for so long. This is like my go-to color, you know what I'm saying? And like I told you guys before, a little with this lipstick goes a long way. So in my opinion, it would probably be in your best interest to put this on with a small lip brush, because you literally don't need a lot, and it spreads out very beautifully. So usually I just let it sit for a minute, let it start drying, and in the meantime I am setting my face and just moving that lipstick around. Bam! And this is your final look. It's giving sweet candy canes with a little hint of gold. So y'all, I hope that everyone has been enjoying all of the Vlogmas videos. Y'all, we have 5 more days left, okay? And y'all, I am exhausted. So I hope that everyone has been enjoying Vlogmas, and yeah, make sure you drop down in the comments and leave me a comment. Bye.